Well, thank you for joining us on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling and Gino Franti, where you come for your daily dose of real estate market updates. And we didn't want to confuse you by breaking up our Get Off the Fence series. And you might have seen this report last week while you're watching Get Off the Fence. You say, well, this doesn't make any sense. You guys are always talking about how great the housing market is, and the media says it's absolutely horrible.
Yeah, no doubt about it. So we're going to contradict what we said last week. No, not really. Just the reports are, and that's why you need to watch the National Real Estate Cafe daily on NRE Cafe. By the way, you can get more information. You get all those past shows because one report does not make a trend, and this report, please check it out because you're going to hear from the media that's going to spin this that the sky is falling, right, Gino?
Yeah, and so when you look at this report, if you really break it down, I love if you read at the bottom what it shows is it gives you per area, per region, where these losses came. Any surprise that starts were down 56% in New England? No surprise there. As Don likes to say, it's the frozen tundra over there.
No doubt. And I mean, overall, the whole country supposedly was down 17%. So that'd be a horrible number. But in the South, only down 2%. So you can see if you take the averages, that's where 17% comes in. So very weather related.
Yeah, but also the other thing to look at is every time we've had a big bust, we had a rebound, a nice rebound. Sometimes the rebound took 2 months. And going into the summer here, I expect to see a nice solid rebound. Maybe not all of it back in the next report, but definitely all of it back in the next 2 to 3 reports.
A key part to this report, look at this report one more time. You're going to see the green numbers, which means the building permits. Now, if that went down the same time as the housing starts, we'd have some problems. But the good news is actually building permits were up, meaning the builders have confidence in the future of our housing industry. So overall, take this with a grain of salt. Look at the green line. That's a key one, is building permits have continually improved over the last year. So
Yep.
that's a good sign. So we keep telling you the housing market is good, and it's time to get off the fence.
Yeah, so if you look at this, the trend is your friend.
No doubt. So
Now,
what's that doing to rates lately?
well, I was going to say the trend is your friend right now, actually. We saw a little bit of a reversal, right? We saw a severe decline from, as Don likes to say, in that circle up there, that's a happy place.
Yes.
That's a happy place where rates are under 4% for 30-year fixed rates. And now we're seeing things in the low fours still, or just at the
Still good.
it's still very, very good rates. In fact, but if we went back there at those numbers for bonds again, we might see things closer to 3.5, which is all-time lows. That being said, rates are getting a little better. They should be better than what they are based on the news. So
I agree.
proceed with caution, lock in those loans, and start saving money today.
That's right. And tune in every day to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Franti to see what's brewing.